Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best crochet rings is probably one of the most underrated tools in a crocheter's arsenal, but trust me, they're a game changer. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these little rings can seriously level up your crochet game. From keeping your stitches neat and tidy to helping you manage multiple yarn colors with ease, we're diving deep into the world of crochet rings to find the perfect ones for you. Number 5. Crochet Ring Set, Adjustable Knitting Tension Rings. Introducing a set of crochet tension rings in various shapes. They are designed to meet your diverse DIY crocheting needs and add a touch of style to your daily life. This set is a must-have for any crocheter. Crafted from a quality alloy, these rings are durable and resistant to corrosion. The rhinestone decoration adds a touch of elegance. They are designed to protect your fingers and speed up your knitting work. The open design makes them easy to put on and take off. They are adjustable to fit your finger size, ensuring maximum comfort and flexibility while you work on your projects. These rings protect your fingers from blisters and help maintain consistent loops. They also double as chic finger decorations, adding a fashionable touch to your crafting. This set is an ideal gift for both experienced crocheters and beginners. It's a thoughtful and practical present for anyone who loves knitting, including grandmothers, mothers, and friends. They will love it. What we like. These rings boast a variety of stylish designs, perfect for adding flair to your crafting. Made from quality alloy, it's durable and comfortable. If you're looking for a crochet ring that combines functionality with fashion, you should consider this one. What people say. These are great for crocheting. I had to look up how to adjust them to fit my finger, but once I did that, they really help with my tension while crocheting. And they're cute enough to be worn as a regular ring as well. There's a good variety in this set. I was able to give my kids some as they've started to learn to crochet. I like the assortment. Decent quality. Can easily adjust, but I wouldn't pull too hard. Comfortable to wear. I've been wearing it a couple hours at a time and have not had my finger turn green, so that's a plus. Number 4. Crochet Ring Adjustable Knitting Loop Finger Holder. Introducing the crochet ring, a must-have tool for any knitter or crocheter. This handy accessory makes your work smoother and more efficient. The ring is adjustable to fit any finger size, ensuring a comfortable fit. It's designed to make your yarn flow freely, preventing tangles and snags. With the metal yarn guide, you'll have precise control over your yarn. This helps maintain consistent tension, leading to better stitch definition. Made from high-quality metal, this ring is built to last. It's a reliable tool that will assist you with countless projects. This ring is perfect for both beginners and experienced crafters. It will improve your speed and the quality of your finished pieces. What we like. With its adjustable design, this ring fits comfortably on any finger. The metal yarn guide ensures smooth yarn flow, and the peacock design adds a touch of elegance. If you are looking for a reliable and stylish tool for your crochet projects, this is a great choice. What people say. Both the peacock rings hold air and weight yarn well, and they make it so easy on my hands. They come in around a size 5, but they pull open so you can adjust them to fit your fingers. They hold the yarn perfectly. Number 3. Sibba Crochet Supplies Kit 4 PCS. Introducing the Sibba Crochet Supplies Kit. This kit includes 4 adjustable yarn holders, perfect for all your knitting and crochet needs. They make your projects quicker and more accurate. Wear this crochet ring while you knit. It helps you control your yarn, making it easier to manage. This allows you to knit faster, whether you're making scarves or sweaters. Protect your fingers from friction and blisters. This crocheting counter is safe and convenient, preventing any unnecessary injuries while you work. Made from rust-free zinc alloy, this kit is designed for long-term use. The adjustable design ensures a comfortable fit for any finger size, making it a versatile tool. Besides its practical use, it can also be worn as a stylish ring. The cute peacock design adds a touch of personality to your hand, making it a fun accessory. What we like. This crochet ring features a cute peacock design, making your knitting projects more enjoyable. It protects your fingers from friction and blisters, ensuring a comfortable experience. If you like a blend of functionality and aesthetics, you should choose this one. What people say. It really saves my finger from getting that terrible yarn burn. My chains look so much more consistent and the ring is so much more comfortable holding the yard. This ring makes holding tension 100x easier. Number 2. BLMHTWO Crochet Ring Set, perfect gift for crocheters. Tired of fumbling with yarn? This crochet ring makes it easy. It keeps the yarn flowing smoothly, so you can focus on your craft. The ring is adjustable to fit any finger. Its open design ensures comfort even during long hours of crocheting. Featuring a beautiful peacock shape, this ring adds a touch of elegance. It's a stylish accessory that enhances your crocheting experience. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This crochet ring set is perfect. It's a great present for mothers, grandmas, or any crochet enthusiast. This set includes 3 rings, providing convenience. It's an essential tool for any crocheter, making the process smoother and more enjoyable. What we like? This ring features a unique peacock shape, adding a touch of personality to your crafting. It is also an ideal gift for crochet lovers. If you are looking for a thoughtful present for a fellow crocheter, this is a perfect choice. What people say? These are sizable and I'm so happy about it. Not only can they fit a 10 size, but they could also go down to fit a 4. This helped greatly. Fit was just right for her fingers somewhere large, but she adjusted them to fit her fingers and she loves them. They are really cute and works great. Number 1. Juszok Crochet Ring, adjustable, 2 styles, silver. This adjustable crochet ring is designed to make your knitting easier. It helps maintain consistent yarn tension and protects your fingers from blisters. The ring can be adjusted to fit finger sizes from 0.73 to 0.94 inches. It's easy to put on and take off, providing a comfortable experience while you work. With its hook design, the ring keeps your yarn in place. This ensures consistent tension, making your stitches neat and uniform. Made from a quality alloy, this ring is smooth, durable, and resistant to wear and rust. It's built to last through many knitting projects. This set includes 2 styles of silver tension rings and a clear box. It's an ideal gift for anyone who enjoys crocheting or knitting. If you have any questions about the product, please contact us. We are here to help you solve it within 24 hours. What we like? The adjustable design ensures a perfect fit for any finger size. It protects your fingers from blisters, making your work more comfortable. If you are looking for a practical and convenient crochet ring, you should consider this one. What people say? Easy to use, helps make my fingers not hurt so much and keeps the yarn in place. It's good that it is adjustable. This product has helped me up my crochet game. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.